2026 में कार बाई करना इज़ नॉट एन ईजी टास्क। आज इंडिया में आई बिलीव क्लॉथिंग ब्रांड से ज़्यादा कार्स के ब्रांड्स हैं। लेकिन आज का टॉपिक इज़ नॉट अबाउट कार ब्रांड्स, इट्स अबाउट सबसे पहले बात करते हैं मैनुअल कार्स की। मैनुअल कार्स आर वेरी कॉमन इन इंडिया। फ़ायदे की बात करें तो मैनुअल कार्स जनरली ऑटोमेटिक से ज़्यादा फ्यूल एफिशिएंट होती है। सेकेंडली, लोअर मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट। दिस इज़ अ की बेनिफिट ऑफ अ मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन। The repairs of a manual gearbox is simple and cheaper than an automatic. With a manual transmission, we get more driving control over the car. So if you love power, more control, want to feel the thrill while overtaking cars on the highways, and you want to be the one driving the car and not the one being driven, manual is for you. To be honest, I feel manual transmission has no drawbacks. It's just people nowadays prefer more comfort. I mean, it's not wrong क्योंकि रोज heavy traffic में drive करना can be very tiring. Driving a manual in bumper to bumper traffic is like going to gym every day and doing leg exercise. अब बात करते हैं ऑटोमेटिक कार्स की। The most easiest to drive and the biggest advantage is comfort. Earlier in manual, you were shifting the gears. Now the car does that for you. Too much benefits, huh? Now let's see the downsides of automatic. Price can be one of them. Initially, we have to pay 80,000 to 1.5 lakhs more than a manual car. Then if lower maintenance cost is your primary concern, then I feel automatic is not made for you, as the maintenance can be higher than the manual. So, Indian roads के लिए, which one is better? Answer to this is very simple and easy. If you drive in stop and go heavy traffic daily, comfortable driving is your need, then go for automatic cars. Initial cost of buying manual से ज़्यादा हो सकती है, but as the time passes, you will feel less fatigue while driving. Then you could stress more about your life than stressing about the traffic. Now this one is for the manuals. So if you are the one who wants to feel the real engine push, who drives mainly on highways, faces less traffic, or let me say, you want to be the one who wants to feel the thrill of redlining the RPM, then my friend, manual is for you. Initially cheaper than automatics and can give better mileage depending on driving habits. For redliners, forget about the mileage thing. My friend, remember, it's never about the car. It's about the one who drives. See you in the next. This is Auto RPM signing off. Thank you.